The Mumbai police claims that they have arrested the attacker, but the opposition, the Maha Vikas Aghadi, is not convinced. Uddhav Sena is slamming the Bangladeshi angle to the investigation. Uddhav Sena is saying it's the BJP now claiming that there is a Bangladeshi card and in many ways misusing it. The Sena UBT faction says the Bangladeshi angle has been ensured, keeping elections in mind. Saif's attacker is an illegal Bangladeshi intruder, according to police sources' information. He was the one who, according to the cops, repeatedly stabbed Saif Ali Khan in a dacoity bid. 2 were serious injuries. He had managed to live in India, enter into India, and was staying on fake identity cards. UBT Sena is saying that it's looking at elections coming in. Elections, remember, as much in likely, for example, Delhi, but in Maharashtra itself. There are local civil polls that are upcoming in Maharashtra. So listen in then to why Sanjay Raut believes that this Bangladeshi connection to the accused is because of elections in mind.
मुंबई में सिक्योरिटी ठीक है, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी हवा बना रही है। जब भी कुछ होता है तो बांग्लादेशी का मुद्दा लाएंगे। चुनाव आता है, अभी चुनाव आया ना मुंबई का, तो बांग्लादेशी का मुद्दा लाएगा। अगर बांग्लादेशी मुंबई में, महाराष्ट्र में, देश में है तो जिम्मेदार कौन है? आपका गृह मंत्री है देश का। आपके देश के गृह मंत्री जो है वो क्या कर रहे हैं? आपके डिफेंस मिनिस्टर है, वहाँ से सीमा पार, बॉर्डर पार करके बांग्लादेशी कैसे घुस रहे हैं? आप बताइए। तो ये जिम्मेदारी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की, अगर बांग्लादेशी एक भी घुस गया है मुंबई में तो उनकी है।
So UBT Sena believes that the fact that the attacker who has been caught and this whole Bangladeshi angle to it, that he is from the neighbor nation, managed to illegally enter, has been staying in Mumbai of all places for so many days, is all deliberate to say, because this is ahead of elections as much in Maharashtra, in Delhi and otherwise as well. Vidya joins me for the latest on that from Mumbai. Vidya, why is the UBT saying that this is election card? And tell us more about the Bangladeshi angle that cops have been talking about, that UBT Sena says that BJP is misusing and connecting it because there's an election coming up.
There is an election in Delhi, and of course there are elections in municipal corporations across Maharashtra as well in the next coming months that we know. And of course, all these issues are a part of the entire campaigning process. We have seen the BJP accusing the other parties, especially the Congress, of making sure that, there are illegal voter I cards of Bangladeshi immigrants that are made so that those people can actually vote for, the Congress people. And of course, the Congress alleging that it is the BJP which is not, sealing the entire border around Bangladesh and making sure that it remains porous so that some of the illegal immigrants keep coming in. So, we will be seeing a whole lot of, we have seen some bit in Delhi election as well, but in the upcoming Maharashtra election also, this issue will remain. It does seem like that, with Sanjay Raut making such kind of statement.
Vidya, stay on with me, because this, remember, and let's listen in again briefly to what Sanjay Raut has said and why does he believe that this Bangladeshi angle is being misused and misclaimed by the BJP, and that's because elections are coming up.
मुंबई में सिक्योरिटी ठीक है, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी हवा बना रही है। जब भी कुछ होता है तो बांग्लादेशी का मुद्दा लाएंगे। चुनाव आता है, अभी चुनाव आया ना मुंबई का, तो बांग्लादेशी का मुद्दा लाएगा। अगर बांग्लादेशी मुंबई में, महाराष्ट्र में, देश में है तो जिम्मेदार कौन है? आपका गृह मंत्री है देश का। आपके देश के गृह मंत्री जो है वो क्या कर रहे हैं? आपके डिफेंस मिनिस्टर है, वहाँ से सीमा पार, बॉर्डर पार करके बांग्लादेशी कैसे घुस रहे हैं? आप बताइए। तो ये जिम्मेदारी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की, अगर बांग्लादेशी एक भी घुस गया है मुंबई में तो उनकी है।
All right, Vidya, as we continue to be on this big story, what do you think is happening politically over all of this on the ground in Mumbai? What about other parties? What are they saying, other alliance partners of the Maha Vikas Aghadi? And any response yet from the Mahayuti that BJP is misusing this opportunity and this incident for election gains?
Of course, the fact remains that the opposition has been raising this entire issue of how there is lax, law and order, and the crime rate is going up. This is an indication. The Saif Ali Khan incident is just an indication, because we have seen that earlier as well. After the Salman Khan incident, we had the shootout at Bandra itself, where the ex-former MLA of Congress and then the NCP later had been shot dead. So the entire scene of that Mumbai police should be able to control the crime scenes and make sure that such incidences do not happen has become a political issue. And since then, there have been political attacks by the opposition as well, stating that the BJP-led government is not able to control the working of Mumbai police, and that's one of the reasons why we have been able to see such kind of incidences. Of course, now that the Bangladeshi angle has emerged, it has given an entire new twist, with the BJP in the center also being blamed for not being able to control.
Stay on with me, Vidya, because also joining me on the phone line is Kirit Somaiya of the BJP, who's represented the Lok Sabha constituency as well for the party. Mr. Somaiya, is the BJP, your party, misusing this opportunity and this whole Bangladeshi card because there are elections coming up in Mumbai?
I'm really shocked how Sanjay Raut or others can make an incident and crime, a person attacking Saif Ali Khan, they want to convert it into vote jihad. If the accused, the person who is held, is illegal, Bangladeshi, and if police arrest him, that also they want to treat it as a Hindu-Muslim issue. Yes, I went to that site, that labor camp, 12 illegal Bangladeshis have been seen there, and they had never tried to protect that accused. And that's why if Mr. Sanjay Raut or Rahul Gandhi want to convert this into Muslim appeasement by protecting and supporting an illegal immigrant who is involved in this crime, Bhagwan unko sadbuddhi do.
But Kirit Somaiya ji, also what Sanjay Raut said, he also said that if there was a Bangladeshi like this of a criminal nature living in Mumbai, whose responsibility is it? It's of the Ministry of Home Affairs, it's of the BJP which is at the center. So do you think that also raises a question then on the government right now, if that is an intruder, as what Sanjay Raut is saying, why are you bringing this to Mumbai, a secure city, when it's your government's responsibility?
I think you are trying to misquote him. He insisted, emphasized, and particularly he was telling his Bangladesh, that's why the BJP or the Maharashtra Mumbai police is going for aggressive action. He is converting this issue in Bangladeshi, that means vote jihad, Hindu viruddha Muslim. You may recollect a couple of days back, all the channels have broadcasted Jitendra Awad. He's his colleague. What he said, Saif Ali Khan's son is Taimur, named Taimur, and that's why some Hindu militant had attacked him. So these are the, what we say, such politics of Congress, MBA. There doesn't miss a single opportunity to appease the Muslim
So what you're saying
community.
is, Mr. Somaiya, that even the UBT or the Mahavikas Aghadi or these India Bloc partners instead are doing a certain appeasement, a minority appeasement in this case, to devalue what has happened. So it's a showdown that's already started over the arrest and probe. Thank you very much, Mr. Kirit Somaiya, speaking to India Today.